It's Laura from Day by Day in Our World and Life Beyond Kids, and this is a somewhat long overdue video that I promised someone I would do an unboxing. The company is, let me make sure I get this right, SA Company, and they had a product that this particular person thought about me for because I spend my time between Alaska and Colorado with the boys, and it definitely can get cold in both places. So, you know, if you go out to take a nice little walk, you might end up with a frozen face. And that's one of the products he wanted me to take a peek at. This company has, which will come and cover. So right now I'm just going to record and show you guys what they sent me. I haven't looked yet. I just, undid the box so it'd be quicker to open. And then I will hopefully get some time using it as I'm up in Alaska for the next few weeks and wanting to do some outdoor adventures with the boys while I'm able, or maybe even just wearing it to go to the Fur-Rondy snow sculptures, because it gets very cold very fast around all that snow. Welcome to the team. They have some promo codes that they shared with me. And here, oh boy, they sent me a whole bunch of neat goodies. I sent them some different options for things. So the one of the ones that they sent me for the ladies, this is actually a product that I was asked to look at in particular, is the fleece face shields. So this is camo, but for ladies. So that looks pretty nice, and take a look at that in a minute. Ooh, and some things that I did not even really look at. So let's look. We've got arm sleeves in a nice, lovely, see if you can see that better, a nice, lovely purple, which I'm guessing is if you're out hiking and you might start off cold and then you want to switch to having short sleeves. It'd be pretty quick and easy to do that. And, oh, interesting. So this one, you can kind of see it's a tube, and it's showing all these different ways you can use it as a wristband, face shield. You can wear it kind of Eskimo style, a balaclava. Wow. All right. I think I'm going to be a pirate later. And oh my goodness, I love this print for the arm sleeves, this sort of galaxy look. And here's another one of those in a lovely paisley. And this one I think I'm going to share with one of my boys. This is for kids, and I do have my youngest, who's 9, so that's going to be going to him. Now, life would not be complete without some good hats, and this is perfect timing because I was looking at what I have and thinking, oh, what do I even want to bring up there? Because one of the hats that I have, it's not really, it doesn't stay on very well, so if the wind picks up. But when you're traveling and you don't want to have to lug a bunch of stuff, so this is a nice, could be either gender. And this one I think is definitely for me. It's got that hint of pink. I don't know if you can see. Okay, that's much better. So you can kind of see it's got all that nice little pink. Ooh, look inside of this. So this has got the nice fleece. So instead of that knit hat that gets kind of itchy, oh, this is, I know which one I'm taking. One of the ones I'm taking at least. You know, nice and stretchy. This will work great. Oh, and then this is a classic, a favorite. If you're up in Alaska and you don't have one of these, then you better get one now. Oh, sorry for all the crinkle. So this helps protect your ears. You've got the nice lining, keep you nice and warm. Oh, I love it. Nice and pink. And then they sent me one that I can share with one of my boys. Perfect. So there you have it. This is SA Company, and I'll be hopefully showing some of these on my person. Actually, I'll put some on right now, show you how things fit, but I'm hoping to get some pictures and stuff when I get out and start enjoying the outdoor weather in Alaska. So here I'm switching the camera back again. This is that one hat I was showing you. Got the nice little flaps. Makes you think of all those people that went on the Yukon out in remote Canada, or even the early settlers in Alaska. I put this on. My hair's still a little bit wet from a shower this morning, so it was a little bit cold. It's probably in the 20s right now, and instantly so much warmer. I don't care how people might say it looks. I think it looks pretty nice. So the other things, just to kind of show you some of the stuff, and like I said, I'm hoping to get some still photos when the boys can do that. This is one of the ones I was showing you. It's a tubular piece of fabric, nice and stretchy, so you can put it, take this off, okay. Get cold for a minute. So you can put this over, pull it all the way over. If you want something to just keep your neck warm, if you start getting cold, pull it up. Yeah, oh, another thing too, I mean, who needs a scarf if you can have this? It'll stay in place. It's not going to be flipping around in the wind and whatnot. So I say definite win. They have a lot of really cute prints. Then the other one that they sent me in the camo print for women, I got to take the tag off still. So this is the fleece one. So you can see it's got that same stretchy fabric on the outside, but it's fleece lined. So if it's going to be really cold and you don't want to pull this one off, and headband, hello, accessorize. What's not to love something so versatile? So this is the same kind of thing. I could pull it over, wear it on my head in lieu of a hat. And no, I'm not gonna I'm not gonna cover my face completely up for this, but put my glasses on. If you're just getting that little bit of cold, you know, when you're starting out on a walk, pull it up, and when you're done, you can pull it down and your neck stays warm. I mean, ladies, let's be honest, if your neck gets cold, necks, hands, feet, those things, they get cold and your whole body seems cold. And finally, this nice fleece lined hat. So, I mean, just these two things, I'm ready to go. Just grab a nice heavy jacket, and, you know, ideally one that you can take off if you get a little too warm. So anyways, definitely, this is a company I would highly recommend taking a look at. Stuff that'll help you feel a little bit fashionable while you're out there in the outdoors. Very practical as far as the applications. These things, oh my goodness, I'm in love. So anyways, this was Laura from Day by Day in Our World and Life Beyond Kids here in sunny Colorado for today, headed up to not so sunny Alaska for a few weeks, and ready to enjoy some outdoor time with my boys and not freeze in the process. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think.